What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of 7.3 liter truck stuff. Figured today we go ahead and do a review, product review. This is something I haven't had a chance to do a whole lot of, and I'm kind of stoked to do this review, not because this product is super duper different or special, but because I just wanted to say low profile creeper on the internet. Why is that so funny? Intro. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and slam that like button, crush subscribe for me, and hit the bell notification so you get all the updates. Also, go ahead and check us out on Instagram, as well as TikTok. And go ahead and check out our apparel line as well. Alright, quick overview of the owner's manual. This is the ATD model number 81046. It's good for 400 pounds, low profile creeper, 6 wheels, 3-inch polyurethane wheels allow for smooth movement around the shop floor. Half-inch ground clearance, low profile design, access in tight places. I won't make the joke. Yeah, preparation and install was super easy. And if you fill out the back, it looks like it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. So I want to show off a new knife that my brother bought for me. ZT. And he wrote Brotherhood on it. I think that is absolutely awesome. Gave it to me because he got married and I was his best man. So I'm going to use this today to go ahead and open up this box. Disaster. Yeah.
Are you still on your video?
Yes.
Huh. Where's it?
It's right there.
Oh.
You want to say hi?
Hi. My name's Connor.
You doing all right, buddy?
Yes.
Do you need anything?
No.
Okay. Is your sister good?
Yes.
Is she alive?
Yes.
Is the dog alive?
Yes.
Is the house on fire?
No.
Okay. Cool. Hi, Madison.
Thank you.
What you go? Oh, thank you. That's the sweetest ever. A flower for the video. We'll put it there. All right. If you guys want to check out the ATD low profile creeper for yourself, like most every product I use, I go ahead and try to link it down below for you. This was linked to Amazon. I'm an affiliate. So if you click on that link and you go ahead and purchase it, it actually gives me a couple dollars. And it doesn't cost you anything additional. And that goes for anything that I've linked through the Amazon account. So that's a huge help for me. Helps build the channel. The installation is about as easy as it gets. The padding is already installed. So all you do is take the wheel, throw it up through this hole right here. And we're going to drop in a washer, a nut, and secure it. There we go. With a 17mm socket. Okay, so all kidding aside, why am I going through the trouble of showing this to you guys? Well, as some of you may have, as some of you may have seen in some prior videos, I have an ongoing dispute with my driveway. I don't know who the genius was that thought that this would be a great option. And I totally understand that I'm basically living in a retirement community, so no one here is really thinking about working on their vehicles. But this driveway is a disaster. I mean, it looks great, I guess, but the granules are so thick that it destroyed my last creeper. So I had to buy a new one, and I wanted to buy one that was a little bit more robust, and one that could put up with the insanity, that ain't bad, of these huge rocks in this driveway. So that's working out for me. Let's see how it works under the truck. Alright, so I actually really dig this low profile creeper. I've got plenty of space to work up underneath this truck, and it's doing real well handling those huge granules. So yeah, if you're running into this, damn it, if you're running into the same issues as I was, yeah, go ahead and check this out. Not bad. Well, initial thoughts are it's a pretty decent product. I mean, it is what they say it is. It's a low profile creeper. But yeah, I mean, it got me up underneath the truck. No issues, no problems. It's handling the rough driveway significantly better than the last creeper, which was destroyed by this driveway. So I'll give you guys updates if there's any sort of major changes, but yeah, good product. If you haven't done so already, again, slam like, hit subscribe for me, leave a comment down below, check us out on Instagram, TikTok, you're already on YouTube, check out the apparel line. Really appreciate all the support, and I'll see you on another episode of 7.3 liter truck stuff. Slow to the creeper. Oh, Miller, what did the kids do to you? Guys, quit messing with Miller's lead. What are you doing to Miller? He looks so sad. Hi, Miller. Hi, Miller.